What if I told you that you could earn $30 every time that you click on an emoji? Well, I'm telling you that you can. You could even go to click on an emoji a second time and make $60. I probably sound crazy right now. Well, let's say you click the emoji another 10 times to make it 12. That would be $360. What's even crazier is that there's no limit to the number of clicks. Click on emojis hundreds of times in one day and you could earn a lot of money from anywhere in the world at any time of the day. If you have a laptop or mobile phone, this could be your big break. So today, I'm gonna let you in on a big secret that can help you make money just by clicking. Watch the whole video and learn about this amazing technique to start earning some extra bucks right this second. One of the greatest parts about this money-making trick is that you don't need to shell out any cash to get started. This method is completely free. Plus, you don't need to live in a specific country to use this method. You can be from anywhere around the globe. Make sure you keep listening until the end so that you can max out on your cash out.
Before I go into these tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos on ways that you can earn money. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified when these videos come out.
Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to open your browser and go to flaticon.com. Now, this is what the site should look like. As the site says, Flaticons gives you access to over 4 million vector icons and stickers. Basically, Flaticons is a place that you can download free vectors and icons for any project that you might have. As you can see, there's a search bar where you can type in exactly what you're looking for. If you scroll down, you can see some samples of these vectors and icons, which in just a minute can be a way for you to earn some extra cash. If you click on these samples, it'll bring you to a page with even more of these images. Now that you understand what Flaticons is, you can go ahead and register for the site by clicking on the button at the top of the screen. It will bring you to a sheet where you can sign up for Flaticons. Make sure to pay attention to each step that I share with you so you don't get lost. Now you're gonna need to fill in all of the personal information that it's asking for, and then click the sign up button. Once you've completed these steps, it should bring you back to the page that you saw earlier. So here's where you can earn some money. All you need to do is scroll all the way down. At the bottom of the page, you'll see a link for Patterns Generator. Click on that link. Now you'll be redirected to the pattern generator, which looks like this. On this page, you'll find a wide variety of emojis. So from here, you can create any design you'd like to with the emojis. Just click on the emojis that you want. Now, this part is very important because this is how you can earn money with the design that you've created. Keep watching until the end so that you don't miss out on tips to be able to max out your potential earnings. Now I will show you how and what it looks like to create a design. As you can see, this is a really easy site to figure out, and creating a design is really quick and simple. Even better, it's free. Aside from emojis, if you scroll down, you'll see other stickers that you can add to your design. Now, you can also put the emojis and stickers in certain spots if you don't like how they're placed. All you need to do is drag and drop the sticker or icon that you'd like to move. To add even more pizzazz to your design, you can choose a background by clicking on this button on the left side of your screen. A color wheel will pop up and you can choose whatever hue you'd like to use as the background color. The slider underneath the color wheel allows you to adjust the transparency. Once the design is to your liking, all you need to do is download the design. So just click the green button down in the bottom left corner to do that. When downloading, make sure to follow the settings that you see on the screen right now for the best image resolution. So basically, you're going to want to save the file as a PNG image with a tile size of 350. Where it says image size, you want to adjust it to 700 on the box on the left and 350 on the box on the right. Once the settings are right, you can preview the image for download right under the settings portion. Lastly, just click the green button to download your final design. If you want to start again and make a new design, just hit the clear button. Another cool feature is the random pattern button. This button generates a pattern using random emojis and stickers. This feature is cool because it allows you to explore stickers and emojis that you probably haven't used before. Now, if you want to add a specific emoji to the random pattern, just drag and drop your emoji of choice. With a random pattern, you can also choose the background color that you want. Don't forget to download the pattern once you're done because this is what's going to earn you some cash. Now that you're familiar with designing in Flaticon, this is the part where you can earn money from your designs. After downloading all the designs that you've created, head over to 99designs.com. On this platform, you can sell all of your designs created by applying to become a designer with them. When you scroll down to the bottom, you should see a link that says Become a Designer under Resources, and this is where you'll click to apply. Once the page pulls up, click on the Apply Now button. It should bring you to a page that you need to fill out your personal information for your account. Make sure you click on the I'm a Designer button at the top before submitting your application. Once you submit your application, you can upload as many designs as you want at any time of the day from anywhere in the world and earn real money. If you want to keep earning by creating designs but don't want to go through a ton of hassle, you can just keep creating patterns on Flaticon with the Random Pattern button. Flaticon will do all of the work for you. Plus, they have an endless library of random designs so that you don't need to stress. Upload these random patterns to 99 Design and you have yourself an unlimited way to earn without sweating it. Now, if you made it this far into the video, I have another site to talk about. I'm gonna let you in on an amazing money-making tip. This is another way to earn some extra cash with some of the designs that you've made. Just open your browser and head to Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr is a marketplace for freelancers to advertise, and it's also a place that you can upload your designs to. To check out some other people's designs, you can click on the drop-down menu that says Graphics and Design. Under Art and Illustration, you should see a link for pattern designs. Once you click this link, it'll bring you to a page where you can see other people selling their pattern designs. Here is where your designs could be displayed once you become a seller. After having created your designs for free on Flaticon, you can sell them on Fiverr and earn money. To do this, click on the button at the top that says Become a Seller. Once you've done this, it'll bring you to a page where you need to click the Become a Seller button again, and then it'll ask you to enter your email address. Once you've done that, just hit continue and you're good to go. Now you have 2 income streams while only having put in the work for one. It's really quick and easy, so get started right now. Head on over to Flaticon and design away.
Now before I go, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more simple ways to earn extra income. That's all for today. See you in my next video.